Hi, today we are looking at this awesome RC car. This is an RC truck. It is a 1/14 scale model. It comes with everything you need and the battery lasts for 100 minutes. So your kids are able to have maximum playtime and just be able to enjoy every minute with this RC bus. It is strong and durable. It is made of eco-friendly materials, so you don't have to worry about that. The wheels are cushioned. That way they can take the shock and the absorbing of going over rocks, sand, grass, any hard surface or soft surface it's able to go on. It has a really nice leaning feature of the left and right to help control it driving better. It even has wheels right here on the back. So when it flips back, you're able to spin, you're able to do tricks, stuff like that. This thing is just made to be fun. It's made to drive anywhere. It is fast. It works great outdoors. You can also do it indoors, but since it is so fast, it is even more fun outdoors. You can take the top part off, and here you can see the body of the bus. Strong, durable, eco-friendly materials. Design on the bus, making it look cool and attractive. It comes with these pieces, and then it also comes with 2 extra of these that clips the outer shell to the RC truck itself. The springs are able to absorb the bumps and curves that it goes onto. It comes with a remote control that you just need 2 AAA batteries for. It's easy to control. It has the left and right, the on and off. Comes with 2 battery packs. That way you're able to have one in your RC bus and then one backup charging. So your kids are able to play for hours on end, switching up the battery. It's easy to install. It's back here. If you're looking for a great gift or a great RC car that's going to go on the grass, the dirt, the sand, rocks, anything, then this one is definitely fun for all of that.